Are you ready? I mean, do you have the perfect lighting system and other accessories? I think you should change your t-shirt. This one is not looking right. Um, how would you face the criticism by the public? Are you worthy of facing the public? If you are surrounded by these questions, you might have been caught by the spotlight effect. That says people tend to believe they are being noticed more than they really are. So, if you want to start a business or a YouTube channel or anything online or offline, you should start now. Definitely, you would make mistakes, and those mistakes can be corrected along the way. Remember, the best time to start something good was yesterday, and the second best day is today. So, start now. Follow for more.